Welcome to our project presentation on paving the way for Bitcoin mass adoption, a causal approach to performance modeling. Despite Bitcoin's tumultuous journey since its genesis, it gradually gained eligibility among a broader range of investors. However, for Bitcoin to achieve mass adoption, there's still a crucial missing point, a deeper understanding of its performance determinants. Our first objective was to identify the key features that could shed light on Bitcoin's behavior, along with determining the optimal frequency of analysis. Well, we initially conducted daily analysis, later transitioning to weekly assessments to ensure we didn't underestimate correlations between features. The next step was to leverage our datasets from Bloomberg. We embarked on data preprocessing, cleaning, and engineering, transforming raw features into returns, volatilities, and also normalized returns. We then employed machine learning techniques to develop our random forest algorithm for forecasting Bitcoin's future returns. Iterating the model on a monthly rebalancing frequency was crucial, allowing us to establish a rolling forecasting model that could effectively capture Bitcoin's behavior across different time frames. Our investment strategy proved highly effective, reducing by a lot the annualized volatility of Bitcoin and systematically anticipating bearish movements in Bitcoin. Well, thank you for joining us on this journey to pave the way of Bitcoin mass adoption. If you're interested, feel free to reach out. And together, let's unlock the potential of Bitcoin for institutional investors. Thank you.